Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let me show you how you can use a GCash card. First things first, we need to apply for a GCash card. Open Google and search for GCash card. After that, you will see apply for GCash card. Click on it. Next, open your GCash app, log in, and tap on cards. Then you need to order the card and complete the application. Now, when you have the GCash card, you can directly use your linked GCash cards to pay for purchases locally and internationally for all merchants that accept Visa. You can either complete payments through online or physical store. You can also see your transaction history and GCash app inbox. And just in case you can get a GCash card, all you have to do is to use the GCash application. Same as the GCash card, you can use it locally and internationally just by scanning the QR code. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.